Hey travelers! Ready to make your next trip from the USA absolutely epic? Whether you're heading to Paris, Tokyo, or just across the country, I've got the ultimate packing guide just for you. This isn't just any list, it's the one I wish I had before my first big trip. No more guessing, no more last-minute stress. We're talking about a foolproof, never leave home without it, all-American guide to packing smart. Whether you're backpacking through Europe, road tripping Route 66, or flying to tropical beaches, this list has you covered. Forget what you know about packing. Those days of cramming everything in and hoping for the best are over. This is the ultimate cheat code. We're talking about packing smarter, not harder. Think streamlined, efficient, and ready for anything, for stress-free travel. Imagine gliding through airport security, knowing exactly where everything is, and arriving at your destination feeling calm and collected. I've made every mistake in the book. Overpacking, underpacking, forgetting essentials, you name it. I've been there. So you don't have to. I've learned from my travel mishaps, so you can benefit from my experience. These are the battle-tested essentials. These aren't just random suggestions. These are items I personally use and swear by on every single trip, for a perfect trip. We're talking about maximizing your comfort, convenience, and overall enjoyment no matter where you're headed. We're breaking down the top 15 must-haves, the absolute non-negotiables that will transform your travel experience. From life-saving tech like portable chargers and universal adapters to simple game changers, those little things you never knew you needed but can't live without once you have them. If you've ever worried about forgetting something, that nagging feeling that you've left something important behind, this video is your cure. Say goodbye to pre-trip anxiety and hello to confident, prepared travel. Grab a notebook or open up a notes app on your phone because you're going to want to jot these down. And get ready to upgrade your travel game. We're about to take your packing skills to the next level. Let's dive in. Get ready to transform the way you travel forever. Okay, let's talk about the absolute hands-down #1 gadget that you simply cannot leave home without when you're traveling internationally. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. I'm talking about the Universal Travel Adapter. This little device is a lifesaver, a game changer, and frankly your best friend when you're hopping across borders. It's the key to staying connected and powered up, no matter where your adventures take you. Without it, you're essentially stranded in the digital dark ages. Your phone, your tablet, your laptop, all those essential devices become completely useless bricks. Imagine arriving in a new city, unable to access maps, contact loved ones, or even book a ride. I learned this the hard way. Trust me, it's not an experience you want to repeat. I was stuck in a foreign airport with a dead phone and no way to communicate. So, don't make my mistake. Learn from my travel mishap and be prepared. Every country, and I mean every single one, has a different type of electrical outlet. It's a chaotic mess of shapes and sizes, and trying to navigate it without the right adapter is a recipe for disaster. A universal adapter is your all-in-one solution. It's your master key to unlocking power in any country you visit. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of travel accessories. The best ones, the truly indispensable ones, have multiple USB ports, and sometimes even USB-C ports so you can charge multiple devices at once. Phone, camera, power bank, everything can be juiced up simultaneously, saving you precious time and outlet space. Forget buying a whole collection of individual adapters for each country. You'll inevitably lose them or forget which one goes where. It's just not worth the hassle. This one single device declutters your travel bag, freeing up valuable space for souvenirs and other essentials, and most importantly, it keeps you powered up and connected anywhere in the world. From bustling city centers to remote countryside villages, you'll always have a way to charge your devices. Invest in a high-quality adapter. Don't skimp on this. A well-made adapter will last for years, enduring countless trips and power surges. It's the very first thing I pack, without fail. Before clothes, before toiletries, before anything else, it goes straight into my bag for every single trip. Don't be a rookie traveler, caught off guard by incompatible outlets. Get yourself a universal travel adapter before you even think about booking your flights. Champions travel prepared, and preparation starts with the right adapter. Now that we've covered the most crucial gadget, let's move on to the next essential item on your travel checklist. Okay, let's move on to item number 2. Your passport and all your essential travel documents. This isn't just a piece of paper. It's your golden ticket to international adventures. It's your identity, your permission slip, and your lifeline when you're exploring foreign lands. Treat your passport like gold, maybe even better than gold. It's irreplaceable while you're traveling, and the hassle of getting a replacement abroad is something you definitely want to avoid. So never, ever put it in checked luggage. Imagine the horror of your bag going missing with your passport inside. That's a travel nightmare you can easily prevent. Use a travel wallet, a secure passport holder, or some kind of protective case. Think of it as armor for your most important travel possession. Or, at the very least, a dedicated secure pocket in your carry-on bag. Somewhere it won't get easily lost or stolen. The key is to keep it on your person or within your immediate reach at all times. You'll need it at check-in to prove who you are and to verify your flight details. Security, where they'll scrutinize it to make sure you're not a threat. And the gate, when you're finally ready to board your flight to paradise, so keep it accessible. Fumbling around for it at the last minute is a surefire way to raise eyebrows and slow things down. Organize your visa if required for your destination, making sure it's valid and properly attached to your passport. Flight confirmations, both printed and digital, just in case. Hotel reservations with addresses and contact numbers readily available. And any tour tickets or pre-booked activity confirmations together. A travel document organizer is your best friend here. It keeps everything neat, tidy, and easily accessible. It makes you breeze through checkpoints. Always keep a pen handy. Trust me on this one. For filling out those pesky landing cards. Double check you have absolutely everything before you zip up that suitcase and head out the door. Before leaving home. It's the final sanity check before you embark on your adventure. This is non-negotiable. No ifs, ands, or buts. Your entire trip depends on it. Next up, travel insurance. It's not exciting, but it's your safety net. Medical emergencies abroad can cost tens of thousands. Insurance saves you from financial disaster. It also covers lost luggage, trip cancellations, and unexpected events. Your regular health insurance probably won't help overseas. Buying travel insurance takes minutes and costs little compared to your trip. Don't skip it. Protect yourself and travel with confidence. Let's talk luggage. Lightweight, durable suitcases are a game changer. Modern materials mean you don't have to sacrifice strength for weight. 4 spinner wheels make airport navigation effortless. Every ounce saved is more freedom and fewer baggage fees. Invest in a quality lightweight suitcase with 4 wheels. Your back, and your wallet, will thank you. My secret weapon, packing cubes. They turn chaos into organization. 1 cube for shirts, 1 for socks, 1 for electronics. Packing cubes compress your clothes, saving space and keeping everything neat. Dirty laundry? Dedicated cube. No more mixing clean and dirty clothes. You'll fit more in your suitcase or travel lighter. Get a set in different sizes. You'll never go back. Bring a reusable water bottle. Buying bottled water is expensive and wasteful. Fill up at hotels, restaurants, or fountains always have water on hand. Staying hydrated keeps your energy up and your trip enjoyable. It's better for your health, your wallet, and the planet. Get a lightweight, insulated bottle and fill it after security. Simple, smart, essential. Avoid security hassles. Use a toiletry bag with travel-sized bottles. Decant your favorite products into reusable containers. Keep everything in a clear, TSA-approved bag for easy access. No more leaks or messes in your luggage. A good toiletry bag keeps you organized and compliant. It's a small system that saves time, money, and stress. Comfortable walking shoes are non-negotiable. You'll walk more than you think. Don't let blisters ruin your trip. Choose shoes with support and cushioning and break them in before you go. Match your footwear to your activities. Sneakers for cities, hiking boots for trails. Bring 2 pairs to give your feet a break. Prioritize comfort over fashion. Your feet are your foundation. Your phone is your lifeline, don't let it die. A portable charger, power bank is essential. Travel drains your battery, fast photos, maps, translations, and more. A 10000 mAh power bank is the sweet spot for size and capacity. Charge it every night and you'll never be stranded. Stay connected and safe wherever you go. Long flights are tough, but you can make them comfortable. The Holy Trinity travel pillow, eye mask and earplugs or noise-canceling headphones. A good neck pillow supports your head for real sleep. An eye mask blocks out light, earplugs or headphones block noise. Arrive rested and ready to explore. Always pack a small first aid kit. Include band-aids, antiseptic wipes, painkillers, antihistamines, and stomach meds. Add blister treatment, moleskin, or special bandages. Customize your kit for your needs. It takes up no space but saves you from minor disasters. Pack for the weather, don't guess. Check the forecast including feels-like temps and rain chances. Layering is key. Base, mid, and outer layers adapt to any condition. A waterproof shell is a must. Choose versatile, odor-resistant fabrics like merino wool. Smart packing means comfort in any climate. Prepare for the worst. Make copies of your documents. Photocopy your passport, visas, and credit cards. Keep one set in your bag, one at home. Digitally scan everything and store it securely in the cloud. If you lose your documents, you'll have instant access to vital info. This backup plan can save your trip. Don't forget snacks and personal medication. Bring enough prescription meds for your trip, plus extra, in original bottles, in your carry-on. Pack a few favorite snacks. Granola bars, nuts, dried fruit. They're a lifesaver during delays, late arrivals, or picky eating moments. Small comforts make a big difference. Downtime happens. Be ready with entertainment. Download shows, movies, podcasts, or audiobooks before you leave. Bring a book or e-reader for endless reading. Don't forget headphones for private listening. Prepping entertainment turns travel time into relaxation. That's your ultimate packing checklist. Double-check your passport, wallet, and phone before you leave. What's your must-have travel essential? Drop it in the comments. Let's build the best list together. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more travel tips. Now get out there, explore, and make unforgettable memories. See you in the next video.